New at 5, after a years-long civil fight, it may be the end of the road for parents of Oxford High School shooting victims.
Parents of survivors and the 4 students killed in the 2021 shooting have been working to hold the school accountable for failures they say led to the tragedy.
But today, the Michigan Supreme Court dismissing appeals in the case, effectively shutting down those lawsuits.
And today and every day, we remember and honor the lives of Hannah St. Juliana, Tate Meir, Madison Baldwin, and Justin Schilling.
7 News Detroit reporter Whitney Burney joining us now in studio, hearing from those parents who are deeply disturbed by this development.
Yeah, well, this case really was about arguing that government immunity should be abolished and ruled unconstitutional. Attorneys in this case calling it shameful that this tragedy can happen with no civil recourse.
Ladies and gentlemen, today is a sad, sad day in Michigan. If justice truly matters to you.
Back in September, the Michigan Court of Appeals ruling the school system has government immunity in lawsuits related to the shooting. Wednesday, the Michigan Supreme Court upholding that decision, denying to hear arguments after attorneys filed an appeal. A federal judge last week also ruling the cases cannot move forward.
I'm shocked. I can't believe that a tragedy of this nature, our government can just sweep it under the rug and say, sorry for your luck, when it was preventable.
The decision disappointing for parents who are still dealing with the impacts of the 2021 shooting. During a virtual press conference Wednesday, parents pointing to the independent guidepost review of the incident that they say had clear evidence of negligence on the school's part.
It's exhausting, obviously, but we're going to fight for what we believe in. And I think it's taught us and our kids the importance of driving change and the reason behind the lawsuit.
Now, I also reached out to Tim Mullins, an attorney representing the district, who applauded the decision from the Supreme Court, saying, quote, the case was well decided. Employees should not be held liable for the criminal acts of independent third parties. Attorneys for the victims say today's decision was no doubt a blow to their fight, but they're now exploring other avenues to hold the school district and its officials accountable, and they haven't ruled out the possibility of a rally in Lansing. But Simon Glenda, it's unclear what they plan to do from here.
Yeah, just a lot of heavy hearts in that situation. Yeah. All right, Whitney, thank you.
Thank you, Whitney.